Hello everyone. So guys, this will be a reading with respect to your materialistic life, and I have already shuffled the deck and we will be seeing via tarot. So let's start. So here's the first card, Princess of Cups, and a very beautiful start that some offer coming towards you, some emotional message or something related to your emotions coming that will really make your emotions very happy. And also with the green color, I feel that many of you need to work on your heart chakra that is there on in the middle of our chest, and you can chant the word yum. This is what I would say, focusing on the green light in the middle of the chest. And yes, do claim this energy, I would say, or else a new emotional beginning is about to start in your life. So some of you seem to be very much exhausted, or else for some of them there have been some endings or something like this. But guys, can you see the sun over here, that there are still hopes, expectation, positivity? So with some endings, with some, anything it is with respect to your life, there are some new beginnings happening. If you're feeling exhausted, no, there is a ray of hope with this sun. This is what I would say. So I would say one more thing with this card, guys. You need to take little rest. Just don't exhaust yourself, don't stress out. This is what I would say. Don't be over anxious or so. Please work on yourself. There is a ray of hope. There is something else coming in front of you, so do not lose hopes. Princess of Coins. So again, a beautiful card, that something related to your finance coming towards you. And also I would say, if you're using law of attraction, then yes, your wishes are coming into fulfillment. And yes, I do see something related to your finance, your career coming towards you. So do claim this energy, and as I said, do not lose hope. So be ready. Guys, some of you need therapies and healings. This is what I see with this card. Another thing, please have a balance with respect to your emotions. As you can see this picture over here, that she is maintaining her the balance between her emotions. You can see two cups and water. What is those cups? That those cups are emotions, that water is an emotion. So please have patience, have that balance. This will only come when you're healing yourself, when you're working on yourself. And yes, you need a lot of patience with this card. I am clearly seeing it. Queen of Coins. So with patience and all, now this card can be related to this also. You are coming into this energy slowly and gradually. Queen of Coins, the queen of that is the queen of money, queen of finance. But you need to have patience. You need to take those actions accordingly. You need to work on yourself for that. Only then. Another thing with this card I would like to say is that, guys, that you need to be practical. Now, as this is queen, so please do not just think that this is for girls and ladies. No, some men, some boys who have feminine energy more like dominant into them, so this is for them also, that you need to be nurturing, but at the same time you need to stay grounded. You need to be practical, and you have to maintain everything accordingly. You just cannot stay too logical, too practical. You have to stay grounded down to the earth, and then you have to take those decisions and carry on with whatever you're doing. Okay, a new beginning, I see all again. And with this card I would say that please trust your heart and just go ahead. This is what I would say. It's a new beginning. Trust what is coming towards you. Another thing I am sensing over here is, be little careful. Maybe someone may fool you. Now this can be in any area of life, so please be little careful according to your own individual life, and everything you can make it out. But yes, a new beginning of yours is surely starting, and to claim this energy, I would say. Now this new beginning can be in any area of life. Eight of swords, stuck in your own perception, negative thoughts. You're bounded by, your own thing. That's the thing. That is what I can see. You can see this lady who is looking into the mirror. She feels that she's bounded with everything and all, but no, it's not a thing. She can come out of it. Even y'all can come out of it. There is a way out of it. Just open your eyes and see. You will understand that yes, there are solutions, there are options. You can come out of it. The moon. So, first of all, with this card, I would say that you need to listen to your intuition that's guiding you. I also see some secrets, some hidden truths over here. Those are maybe coming out or maybe still hidden from you. Listen to your inner voice, what it is trying to tell. And with the presence of wolf in this picture, please beware of some people around you. This is what I would say. They are hiding something from you, or else they're not showing the real themselves. This is what I would say with this card. And during this full moon, maybe something you may come to know that is coming now. Maybe it is on 14th or 17th of March, something. Sorry, I don't know exactly. I need to check the calendar for that. So be careful. And guys, I would say that if you're too much into stress, tension, and anxiety, please have some control. You need to control your emotions because moon also dedicates emotions. So please take care of yourself. This is what I would say. Too much of darkness in that picture, and hence I would say please take care of yourself. Ace of coins, again something related to money. A lot of related to pentacles is coming out in this reading. So again, with respect to money, there I see a new beginning, a new start. So claim this card, and yes, this will give you success, but maybe slow, but it will be a steady thing. This is what I see. Beautiful card, the world card. Completion, accomplishment. So completion of a cycle, you have accomplished something, or this may also, show travel. Maybe you might be traveling abroad or maybe traveling somewhere. This is what I see. But you can see how this full tree has blossomed. So good is about to come. Something good is about to something good will happen, whatever it is, whatever accomplishment or whatever completion it is, or whatever it is. Maybe it may be the travel of whatever it is. I can clearly see that it will, bring out something good in your life. This is what I see with this overall picture over here. So be ready, guys, and the presence of stars and everything. So be ready, claim it. Okay. Princess of Swords. So maybe some of you might start something online, or you have to do something that you can, do online or something, or it is an advice for you that you have those skills that you can start something of yourself. You can do something on social media. This is what I would say. Plus, this is showing mental insecurity, curiosity, a lot of curiosity. So take care of yourself. In your head, a lot of things are going on. So be little in control, be balanced. This is what I would say, because energies seem to be very high. Those thoughts are just running, as this is Swords energy, which is all about what's going on in your head. That is air energy, and air, how fast it passes. So have some control on your mind. This is what I would say. Your thoughts are just running like anything. Have some control. Eight of Wands. So guys, with this card, I can clearly say in a very speedy way something is coming towards you. Maybe your manifestation, that opportunity, that offer, that thing, anything. Now this can be, but something is coming towards you in a very speedy way. So be ready. This is what I would say with this card, guys. And yes, claim this energy. Four of Cups. with this card, guys, with this card I am feeling you are still a lot focused on which is not there in your life. With what is not there in your life, you're a lot focused on that. You need to divert yourself because something is there in front of you that you're ignoring, guys. Please don't do that. There is a cup in front of you that universe is offering you. It is a divine intervention, and what are you doing? Where is your attention? You're looking somewhere else. Please don't do that, guys. And I would like to tell with this card, this is a minor arcana card, so you never know when this offer that is there in front of you can just pass away. So please take it, grab it. This is what I would say. Maybe whatever you're looking for, maybe whatever you are wishing for, whatever it can be, this is not the right time for you to get it. Just I would say with this card that stay grateful for what you have. Stay grateful for what is coming towards you. You never know whatever you're looking for, waiting for, when it will come towards you. But just do not let this opportunity go. Five of coins. So guys, maybe you're facing financial issues, or some single mothers or single parents, they might be facing this financial issue. I said about single parent because as I can see this girl, this small girl over here, with that I'm saying. And like guys, can you see this picture? This lady's attention is somewhere else, but whatever she is looking for, she is looking for who can help me, how can I manage everything and all everything. But there is help around you, guys. I can clearly see that, but you're not looking towards it. That's the thing, your attention is somewhere else. So instead of focusing on lack, please see here and there what is there with you, for you, that's there. Just I would say divert your focus and then see, everything will change. Death card. So please do not get scared listening to this word, looking at this word, because this death doesn't mean that type of death, but some ending, some transitions, some new beginnings happening in your life for your own good. That's the thing, and you need to accept it. This is what I would say. Now this thing can also be that some of the qualities, unwanted qualities of you are ending and you're changing yourself. This can be also a thing. So be ready for this new beginnings, I would say. And for some of you, these endings can be very bad endings too, so good for you, right? Magician. So with this card, guys, you are magician of your life. You have each and everything within you that you can use it, those skills, those focus, that concentration, each and everything. Just you need to recognize yourself. This is what I would say with this card. And you have those qualities that you can literally convince anyone. This is what I would say. Another thing that I'm getting with this messages, with this card, is for some girls, I don't know why I'm getting this message, but I'm getting that girls, please be little careful, because some male figure may try to manipulate you, not convince, but may try to manipulate you with their skills. So be little careful, don't just fall prey to anyone. This is what I feel, so hence I'm giving this message. The devil. So with this card, guys, I would say, I'm here, you are seeing this girl and a cup in her hand. This cup is showing emotions. So her emotions are turning into obsession. They're turning into possessiveness, possession. And you can see this devil over here. Now this devil, I don't want to take this towards any negative side or something like some negative spell work or something. No. First message that I would like to give is, please have control with respect to whatever desires, whatever wishes you have in life. This is what I would say. It shouldn't be, anything shouldn't be over that turns into obsession and possession. This is what I'm seeing here. And as you can see, this devil waiting just few steps behind her, this is clearly showing that if she is not having control on her emotions, or whatever it is, on her mind or emotions or whatever it is, this devil is literally attacking her. And you can see this fire all around. She is already like just overly, into those desiring things, over emotional, over desires and all everything. So please have that control towards yourself. This is what I would say. Yes, and for some of you, I am getting a message that if you doubt about some spell work or some unwanted energies around you, with this fire, I guess you need to do some spiritual remedies, and you need to kill this devil that's stopping you. This is what I would say. Queen of Wands. So, yes, I would say now this message is for men, women, both. For men, them who have feminine energy dominant in them, just don't keep on sitting and wondering and all. It's time to take action. Even for girls and ladies, this is a message that it is time to take action. Just don't sit and keep on wondering. If circumstances around you are something that you cannot take actions, but you can plan, organize it, how you can do it. This is what I would say. But please be that confident. Can you see the confidence of this lady? Just see how she's confidently sitting. This is what I would say. This is the energy you need to come into. This is what I would say. Another thing, this message is for those who are looking for life partner. So yes, to those boys, to those men, this message is that someone with this energy is coming in your life. And for boys, you may come across someone who is in this energy. This is what I would say. Oh my god, guys, what I said to you. Queen of Wands, right? And see the next message, King of Wands. So should I say something, anything about this? Yes, I will surely give you the guidance about this, but do I need to tell anything? So girls who are looking for life partner, yes, someone in this energy is about to enter your life. And even if you're not looking for any partner, so some boy or some man is coming in your life of this energy. So be ready first of all. And yes, with this card, now another thing I would say, can you just see the confidence, see the confidence of this king, see the confidence of this queen. So you need to come in this confident energy. This is what I would say with this card, guys. uh, Again, one more thing that I'm getting is, guys, you have some skills, you have something extra knowledge. So create something of yours. This is what I would say, on social media or something. If you're doing job or something else, so other than that, try doing something of your own thing that you are a lot expertised in. This is what I would say. And be action oriented. This is what I would say. So this was the reading with respect to your materialistic life. Yes, and I will be getting reading with respect to your love life for committed and singles, also for health, also with respect to your finance, career. So till then, thank you.